Alright, we're back again to upload another video about artificial intelligence tools. If I told you that we've become film directors, we've cloned ourselves to be the stars of our videos, we've figured out how to add agents to our browser extensions so they can configure websites for us, shop, and do all sorts of tasks with HARPA, for example. And in this case, what am I bringing you? What's missing? There's still something missing from this kind of tool. What else could it have? Well, one of the best things in life, and you might say, what could it be? Music? For me, without music, we would be nothing in this society we live in. So, what have I found? A video you're gonna love, because now we're gonna be music composers with the app I'm about to show you. Let's go, video. Suno is the artificial intelligence tool I wanted to tell you about. And what are we going to do with it? Well, basically, we're going to become music producers, creators, singers. Yeah, because I think it can also detect our voice, capture it, and use it to make songs. It has endless features. We're just going to skim through it, mess around a bit to see what we find. They have a really cool trailer that we're going to watch together because I think it's worth seeing. Let's go! Alright, I'll play the introduction for you, because it's awesome. I think it's worth watching. In case you haven't looked it up, I'll play it here for you, and we'll watch it together. They show a bit of how the website itself works. One, two, three. Okay. Well, this just suddenly came to my mind. This can also be effectively used by musical bands, just like these talented people did. And through using the specialized program, well, they can try to collaborate and make a brand new song together. You add the beats, the style, whatever you want. The voices are theirs, they use their own voices. But really, you save yourself a ton of work by doing it this way. Alright, there we go. We are finally making some real progress now, as everything starts to fall into place exactly how we wanted. Here we go, moving forward with the plan and seeing the results of our hard work beginning to manifest right before our very eyes in this moment. It is truly exciting to see this transition happening so smoothly and effectively as we continue to push onward toward our ultimate goal without any further delays or interruptions standing in our way today. Oh, very good. Oh, well, the idea isn't bad, huh? Well, look, making music on your own already seems to me. I think that in every job, everything that artificial intelligence, agents, or new technologies can replace humans in, they're going to be there. Whether it's customer service, all those kinds of things where companies spend way more resources on people than on AI tools, that's what's going to change everything for us. Alright, let's take a look at the website. That's why we're here, to see what we can find and what it has to offer. Okay, so here we are, the typical website where you sign up with your email and all that stuff. We don't really need to mention that. And I chose sounds, lyrics for example, and I gave it a phrase. Alright, I'm gonna do it with you guys, like about love and peace for example. I put love and peace. And it creates something more or less based on what we tell it we want it to do, okay? The bass, like it's the bass, it already shows me 8 out of 10. I did a test earlier. I think we have, 10 to create. Then I guess that's the paid option. Share, leave here. Can we listen to it now? Yes. This is what it made based on the 3 words I gave it. And the bass, if you want, we can change it now. Let's change it. So you can see, instead of lyrics, we can give it another style. Well, I guess I'll go with mother and family, even if it sounds a little bit lame. I think I'll just give it a try. So, my final answer is mother and family. And let's see here. Ah, okay. That's ready. Let's try this. This one. No, it gave me the same one. Here we gave it a different bass. It has nothing to do with the previous one. I changed four things. Well, 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 well. Hey, it's not bad, huh? Let's see. From here, if you want to get into a more technical studio type approach, I need to look into it, but I'm pretty sure I'm going to get it because I see it as really useful. And for more professional people, I'm not saying that someone famous could come out of here, but you'll see for sure it won't be long before someone who works with Suno becomes really well known. I'm absolutely convinced of it. And let's see. Oh, well, these are the songs I've created, the ones I've been making. Well, I'm honestly surprised by how many things you can do with it. I've uploaded this mostly for all those people who didn't know you could use this music tool. I think it can be really, really useful for composers, regular users, people who don't have a lot of resources to record, or who don't want to invest much in equipment. For all those kinds of situations, I think it can be very cost effective and put to good use. I predict a bright future for this application. Surely, before long, we'll see someone working from here, composing film scores, who knows? Or maybe a song. You know, the kind you hear on the radio or one a friend recommends to you, and it turns out it came from this. I mean, it could be wild. Well, that's all. I'll say goodbye to all of you now. Take care. Goodbye.